there are areas down at the bottom. There's another piece of sheet metal right here that has been tack welded to the side of the window channel. This will interfere with the little edges that flop over to the outside of the primary channel of the window rubber. You can see here is some old window rubber, and I call these, well, for lack of a better word, I call them the umbrellas. There's one on each side. This is an old piece of rubber that I pulled out of a door, and you'll notice that there is a section missing. That was done at the factory, and that area was right here at what I call the S-turn, and you got sheet metal on both sides of the channel, and I found it necessary in this install and others. This is old window rubber, and it has been trimmed away on the edges as it transitions through that tight spot. So you should do the same thing to your window rubber. I don't know if I can quite see it in the picture here, but right down here at the back window track, there's another piece of sheet metal. There's another little note that I didn't mention in previous videos. The rear window track is not adjustable. It's tack welded in place, and that piece of sheet metal that's on the side there has been tack welded to the side of the door box. And you can see on this one, it has broken loose. All right, this is common with virtually all Opel GT doors. The tack weld has failed, and they used so much juice that it melted the metal of the door box, and it has just come completely loose. So you may want to, or you will definitely want to, drill and put a sheet metal screw in from this side with a washer, and that should tighten up that track. If your door makes a rattly sound when you close it, it's probably caused by this window channel vibrating. So that's one way to quiet down your doors. All right, so this is the new window rubber. It has the little umbrellas on the sides. This is not exactly the same stuff that Opel GT doors came with. It's a little bit smaller in the dimensions of the little umbrella things sticking off the sides. And it's a lot more pliable. Yeah, I know the old window rubber is 50 years old, but I can tell that window rubber was never as flexible and pliable as the new window rubber that we get. So keep that in mind if it's of anything worthy of keeping in mind. Now it's time to install the window rubber.